Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to see your Roblox password, so let's jump right into it. If you have an iPhone, you can easily go to settings and scroll down until you find passwords, tap on it, and then in there search for Roblox and you find the password there. If you're in any other device, including iPhones, you can follow up with me. Go to your browser and then tap on the profile picture right here. You'll be taken to this screen. Tap on Password Manager. You'll find a lot of accounts right here. Scroll down until you find Roblox. Tap on it, and then when you type on the icon next to the password will be revealed and you can see it there. Now let's see another method. Open Roblox, wait for it to load up. Once it loads up, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Log Out. Once you log out, tap on Login. And since most likely the password will be saved in your device, you can tap on the I next to the password and it will be revealed. But if you cannot see that or have that option, tap on Forgot Password or Username. It will take you to this screen. All you need to do is to type in the email or the phone number associated to your account and you proceed in recovering your password, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.